everyone. Today I am going to explain a new chapter. Chapter 8 Shopping Fun. Do you like to go shopping? Yes. Who do you go with? Yes, with your parents. Can you tell me what do you like to buy? Yes, chocolates, biscuits, toys, stationeries, etc. Nice, very good. Now, I will show some pictures. See what is this? Crayons. Tell me, do you like it? Do you like to draw? Ah, yes, I know it. See next picture? Toys. Do you like to play with toys? See the next picture. What is this? Doll. Next one? Biscuits. Do you like to eat biscuits? See what is this? Cake. Do you like to eat cake? See, page number 73. What can you see in this picture? You can see many things in the shelf. Watercolor, utensils, etc. Below the shelf, you can see chocolate, sweets and coins. Children, do you like chocolate and sweets? See, here one question is there. What is the question? A bar of chocolate cost rupees 10. What will be the cost of 3 bars of chocolates? A bar of chocolate costs rupees 10. What will be the cost of 3 bars of chocolates? Can you tell me what's the answer? Yes, 10 threes are 30. The cost of 3 bars of chocolates is rupees 30. Okay. Then come to page number 74. Now I am going to read the lesson. Listen carefully. One day Anuj and Amma went to a shop. There were some coins in Anuj's pocket. Jingle, jingle, jingle. They went. Asked Anuj what? Jingle, jingle, jingle. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coins. Anuj said, what will you buy with your 10 coins? Amma asked. I will buy something nice. Anuj said. Okay. Where did Anuj and Amma go one day? One day Anuj and Amma went to a shop. See here, look at the picture. Here you can see one boy and his mummy is there. What was the name of that boy? Anuj. Then where did Anuj and Amma go one day? One day Anuj and Amma went to a shop. There were some coins in Anuj's pocket. What were in Anuj's pocket? Some coins. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Asked Anuj, wow. What was the sound of the coins? Yes, jingle, jingle. Then, how many coins did Anuj have? Anuj had 10 coins. How many coins did Anuj have? Anuj had 10 coins in his pocket. What will you buy with your 10 coins? Amma asked. Then Anuj's Amma asked him, what will you buy with your 10 coins? Then Anuj said, I will buy something nice. He said, I will buy something nice. Okay, children, take next page, page number 75. The shop was big. It had many shelves. Look, Anuj said, a big bar of chocolate. On another shelf, Anuj saw a small red car. There was a box of sweets, red, yellow, green, and blue. There were packets of popcorn. Anuj saw a box of his favorite biscuits. Okay. How was the shop? The shop was big. How was the shop? The shop was big. It had many shelves. I already told you. The plural form of shelf is shelves. Shelves. Look, Anuj said, a big bar of chocolate. Then he saw a big bar of chocolate. 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 On another shelf, Anuj saw a small red car. Then he saw a small red car on another shelf. There was a box of sweets, red, yellow, green, blue. There were different colors of sweets. Red, yellow, green and blue color sweets. And there were packets of popcorns. Children, do you like popcorn? There he saw packets of popcorn. 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 Anuj saw a box of his favorite biscuits. Then he saw a box of his favorite biscuits. Favorite. Favorite. Biscuits. Biscuits. What did he see in the shop? First he saw a big bar of chocolate. Then he saw a small red car. Then he saw a box of sweets and packets of popcorn. Finally, he saw a box of his favorite biscuits. Okay. Now, I am going to ask some questions. I hope you will be able to answer my questions. Children, ready? Okay. My first question is, where did Anuj and Amma go one day? One day, Anuj and Amma went to a shop. Next question. How many coins did Anuj have? Anuj had 10 coins. How many coins did Anuj have? Anuj had 10 coins. How was the sound of coins? Yes, jingle, jingle, jingle. Next one. How was the shop? The shop was big. The shop was big. Then say the spelling of coins. Spelling of coins. C-O-I-N-S. Coins. C-O-I-N-S. Coins. Next one. pocket. P-O-C-K-E-T, pocket. Next one, jingle. J-I-N-G-L-E, J-I-N-G-L-E, jingle. Walk. W-A-L-K-E-D, walk. Next one, shells. S-H-E-L-V-E-S, shells. Chocolate. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. Then sweets. S-W-E-E-T-S, S-W-E-E-T-S. Packets. P-A-C-K-E-T-S, P-A-C-K-E-T-S, packets. Popcorn. P-O-P-C-O-R-N, popcorn. P-O-P-C-O-R-N, popcorn. Favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. Biscuits. B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S, biscuits. Okay. Now I am going to ask some questions. One day Anuj and Amma went to a dash. What is the answer? Shop. Anuj had dash coins in his pocket. 10. T-E-N, 10 coins. The shop had many dash. This answer, shelves. C-H-E-L-V-E-S, shop had many shelves. Children, I hope you understood the lesson very well. So, you have to read the lesson carefully and learn the hard words also. In the next video, I will continue the lesson. Okay. Thank you.